Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to link Discord to your Xbox One so you can speak on it and you can play video games. And this is easy. If you press the Xbox button and you tab on over to the parties and chat screen, there should be an option for Discord talk and stream right here. We can just tap this and we should be able to link our Discord account. But you can see mine is already set up. I can just join a Discord channel now. And I should be able to just talk to people. I just have to join it. Now to set this up, we can go up to the top, go to settings, scroll on down under here, and we're looking for account, links, social accounts right here. Type in your PIN if you got one. And then wait for this to load, and you can go to your Discord account, and you can link it right there. Once you have it linked, just go to where I showed you, and you should be able to start speaking to people very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.